trips that you plan for the next.
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, what's up? As you can see from the title, we'll be working with Unice here. They went ahead and sent me their gorgeous 13x4 lace frontal wig unit in the texture straight. As you can see, it's very nice and luscious. This wig, I decided not to do any baby hairs because honestly, it doesn't really need it. It's giving like a natural vibe and it's not looking wiggy at all. So if you're trying to get your hands on something super beginner friendly, you're not too versed with baby hair, this is the wig for you. And in addition to it being beginner friendly, it is glueless, so you don't have to worry about putting any glue or messing it up. All you have to do is just put it on your head. Unice sends a melt band in their wig kits, so you could just spray your little ebony spray, put your wig band on, and you're good to go. I love the hair, super easy to straighten, also very beginner friendly. So if you'd like to see how I did this quick and easy glueless install with this gorgeous wig from Unice hair, just keep on watching. The links will be in the description box for you to purchase. Let's jump into today's tutorial.
Oh, we been too long for so cheap and flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm working. Don't not a vibe, put the work in. Cause you know I love them all. To me, you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to. Picking and choosing. They ain't really love you. Running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real stepping in. Don't let them try you. Test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Go around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Play no games. Freaky. I could learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet like Pearland, sweet like Peachtree. Like that. I could tell you crazy, but you kinda intrigue me. Yeah, I like that. Seen it on the gram, trying to see that in 3D, mommy. I know I get around cause I like to move freely. But you can lock it down, I can tell by how you treat me. Seeing how you did home.
All I do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat. Just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me. So let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
400. I need a big cage, man. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. Used to slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the seats of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
I don't know how to behave. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous swine, but I think I'm here to solo. Hope my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Alright you guys, so this is the finished look and this wig is from Unice Hair. They went ahead and sent me their 22-inch 13x4 lace frontal wig unit. It is a completely glueless wig, so we have a double band situation going on in the back, both the adjustable like bra hook strap as well as an adjustable draw strap, so you're pretty much double secured, and this wig will definitely is guaranteed to be glueless. So as you can see, we're in the straight texture, and the hair is really nice and full, like the body, the luster and the shine, and I used zero product in this, is very impeccable. I love when you could just get your hands on some good hair, good quality hair. It's straight, you're not seeing too many flyaways or any spiky pieces, like it's just all one hair shaft going down, or the strands at least. So it's very, very good. And if you are interested in purchasing this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. I'm having no issues. There's no shedding, there's no tangling apart from when you pluck the wig, and I did go ahead and do that. Besides that, I'm not having any major issues, so there's that. And yeah, I don't have any cons to this hair. Like, I'm not gonna say it could be fuller or thicker or less dense. Like, this is the perfect density. You don't want it to be super full to the point where it's like, that don't look good. Or if it's humid outside, you don't want any humidity messing with your hair. So I feel like this is the perfect volume of hair, density, and yeah, it's really nice. I'm having no problems. I could run my hands through this hair good. Like, yeah, if you have any questions for me, don't forget to leave them in the description box below. And that is pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Unice for always sending through very good quality units. I love working with Unice, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.